Wow Psychology presents to you 7 psychological tricks to command respect instantly. But why do people need to be respected? Being respected is a natural desire, which is a fundamental part to living a happy and successful life. Respect is a key element of self-worth and mental health. It is useful for leadership and career advancement. Let's look at ways on how to gain respect, none of which requires you to be rich. Number 1. Upgrade your outfit. A guaranteed way to earn respect is simply to dress like you're worth of it. In the first 10 seconds of meeting people, they usually make their decision on whether they like someone or not. One of the easiest ways to boost status is by choosing the right outfit for the right occasion and picking the right hairstyle for your face. Number 2. Take up more space. The whole idea of physically taking up more space is to indicate that you are confident to be seen. Physically taking up more space will help you command more respect. It's not all about invading people's space, but instead, it's about opening up your body to other people. Number 3. Get comfortable with making eye contact. Giving enough eye contact shows that you see the person as equal or someone you view as important. Sincerity can be felt through eye contact. Therefore, genuine respect will be received if you pay strong attention through your eyes. Number 4. Have stories in your back pocket. You don't need to be a famous writer in order to earn respect. Take some time to prepare your stories ahead of time. Pick the most interesting and relevant moments in your life and structure them accordingly. As a good storyteller, you'll become the life of the party. Number 5. Be vulnerable. Sharing your shortcomings will show the other person that you are confident enough to evaluate yourself, and this will automatically increase your respect. People generally don't judge you on your flaws, but they rather judge you on your perception of your shortcomings. Number 6. Respect other people's time. Always be punctual for appointments, getting to the point quickly, bringing up issues right away, and not wasting people's time with unnecessary matters during meetings will earn you respect. Being often late will show that you have no time management skills and no respect for other people's time. Time is precious because everyone has the same amount of time each day. You will instantly earn respect from others by having good time management skills because time is the most valuable thing in this world that money cannot buy. Number 7. Don't let someone hijack your conversation. At times in conversation, people will interrupt you, which is understandable, as long as it doesn't happen too often. When people talk over you and you can't get a word in any ways, it's a sign that people don't respect you, and it can give off the impression that their opinion matters more. You need to know where to draw the line. By simply knowing what you are going to say and still talking, even if someone does interrupt, will make people less likely to do it again. There's no need to be louder, you just need to have enough conviction when you are speaking. In summary, these 7 psychological tricks combined will work to earn you respect instantly. However, you can only get enhanced results when you pair it with deep, authentic confidence. Make these tips a part of your nature, and you will instantly command respect wherever you find yourself. Please hit the like and share button. Subscribe if you haven't done so to receive more videos. And thank you for watching.